Nadagdagan pa ang bilang ng mga may COVID-19 sa Pilipinas. Umakyat na po ang
Scientists
kabuang
have been
bilang ng
waiting for the
kaso
next
sa
emerging virus,
307.
and this new strain of coronavirus
There are already more than
essentially a
7,000
cousin of
confirmed
another
cases of
emerging
coronavirus
infectious
here in the
disease
U.S.
called SARS.
More than
140 na ang nagpositibo sa COVID-19 sa bansa.
Coronavirus disease, or also known as COVID-19, is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, also known as the SARS-CoV-2, is the seventh human coronavirus. It was discovered in Wuhan, Hubei province of China during the recent epidemic of pneumonia in January 2020. Continuous spread of SARS-CoV-2 deals with such possible modes of transmission that includes the contact, droplet, airborne, fomal, fecal-oral, bloodborne, mother-to-child, and animal-to-human transmission. Infection with SARS-CoV-2 primarily causes respiratory illness ranging from mild disease to severe disease and death, and some people infected with the virus never develop symptoms. The world is striving hard due to the constant increase of coronavirus disease, which healthily leads to more than 2 million deaths across the globe. World Health Organization recently reported that confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the Philippines severely increased more than 500,000, with the total recoveries of more than 400,000 and more than 10,000 mortality. On September 2020, Asian Development Bank reported that the Philippine economy is forecast to contract by 7.3% in 2020 amid the COVID-19 pandemic before growth returns to 6.5% in 2021. Despite of the decrease in the Philippine economy, Philippine government will allot 2.5 billion pesos out of 72.5 billion pesos immediate funding for COVID-19 vaccines. Furthermore, the country has so far synced with India's Covovax, China's Sinovac, and UK's AstraZeneca. In this time of pandemic, we must remember that prevention is better than cure. Despite of emergency use authorization of COVID-19 vaccine manufactured by Pfizer, which was granted by the Food and Drug Administration, mandatory protocols must be observed and followed. This includes proper hygiene and hand washing, maintaining social distancing, and observing proper use of face masks and face shields.
And yet another variant of COVID-19 has been detected in the UK. This mutation was originally identified earlier this month in South Africa. Now the UK is shutting down travel from South Africa. Leaders of countries around the world are trying to stay ahead of this new highly transmissible variant.
Kapapasok lamang po na balita, nakapagtala ng 12 kaso ng UK variant ng SARS-CoV-2 sa Mountain Province. Ayon sa Department of Health Cordillera Administrative Region, lahat ng mga naitalang kaso ay galing sa bayan ng Ponto. 7 ang lalaki at 5 ang babae. Dahil sa mga bagong kaso ng COVID-19 sa lugar, nanawagan ng mga otoridad na huwag munang bumiyahe pa Ponto. Nagpatupad din ng house lockdown sa mga bahay ng mga nagpositibong kaso sa barangay Bontoc, Iligan.